A father, a husband, and a Pearland police officer killed in the line of duty by a drunk driver. His wife was left to raise their 2-year-old son on her own.
And now a new law requires a person convicted of intoxication manslaughter to pay child support to the victim's family. KPRC2's Sabira Rayford spoke to the widow of that fallen Pearland officer about this new law, and she's live along Highway 6 in Sugar Land. Sabira?
7 years ago this week, Officer Indy Ekpanya was killed just 2 days before his birthday. Now, this new law is clear. If you're driving on roads like this and you're driving under the influence, you're going to pay the price.
He was doing the job that he wanted to do. And
surrounded by family, Lucy Lugo was preparing for her husband's 31st birthday when
4 in the morning or so, 5, I got a knock on the door.
It was Pearland police officers telling her her husband and father to her 2-year-old son was killed in a wrong-way crash while on the job.
The world really did stop for me at that moment.
But she had to keep going for her son.
You know, he was definitely affected by it.
7 years watching him grow beside his father's grave.
It's never going to be okay.
Amber Williamson was sentenced to 32 years in prison for driving under the influence and killing Officer Indy Ekpanya.
I just have to figure out how to carry on and live a new normal, because my life is never going to be the same.
On June 2nd, Governor Greg Abbott signed House Bill 393 into law, requiring a person convicted of intoxication manslaughter to pay monthly child support payments to surviving children until they turn 18.
I think it's a wonderful bill. I mean, I think anything that opens up the discussion.
Though it doesn't go into effect until September, the law requires the restitution be paid monthly and to the standard of living the child is accustomed to. If the person convicted is unable to make the payments while in prison, they would be required to pay the restitution once released.
But now I'm starting to get to the mentality of it can't be for nothing.
Lucy says she's working with Harris County Sheriff's Office to get the word out about this new law and other DWI prevention initiatives.
I did lose a wonderful man, but I hope that I can do great work in his honor and in his memory.
And as for their son, Lucy says the 9-year-old is on the honor roll and he loves to play the piano. There's been similar legislation introduced in other states. Reporting live from the highway, Sabira Rayford, KPRC 2 News.